Today's Hot Wheels 2018 International End Case unboxing is brought to you today by, let the suspense reign, A&J Toys. Ken Dotson is the owner, ANJToys.com is the site. That is where this case came from. Thank you to Ken for providing it. Let's open up the end case. I've already done a case report that you guys saw. I've also done some highlights thanks to wheel collectors from the end case. But now it is time to do the actual unboxing. That's just when they arrive and when they get shipped and so on and so forth. Let's take a look and see what the end case looks like. M cases are showing up in... U.S. cases are showing up at Walmart's right now. I actually came across that today. Haven't seen the end case show up, but I'm imagining it will be very, very soon. Let's get some lighting right. Loopster is the first one, then two of the Fiat 500 in silver. That is significant. I'm going to put that aside for now because we'll talk about that in a little bit. Second is the Bubble-Matic, the DMC DeLorean. These are all models from the M case, I think. Well, maybe the Bubble-Matic. I don't remember. And then the 69 Camaro Z28, I remember that one from being in the case. HW450F, we see that in every case, and I believe that is actually supposed to happen. Lots and lots of colors. That one, same thing with the Fiat, same thing with the wagon. We'll get to that, the Chevelle wagon. There is the Fast Fish, and there is another DMC DeLorean. Easily one of the best models of the year. 2017 Audi RS6 Avant, Ford Focus RS, two of those. Of course, the Avant is the MK Super, which I was surprised to find in the last international case. I haven't gotten the US M case. When I do get that, I will open it. Motosaurus, Street Stealth, and the 32 Ford. Here's some new ones. Porsche Panamera, 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss, and then the Porsche 918 Spyder. So these two are definite highlights from the end case. Recolor of the Spyder and then the Silverado Trail Boss. I already featured these in our highlights from the end case, but I will definitely put these up on the new Lamley Daily YouTube channel. Subscribe in the link down below. There might be a link on the screen right now as well. Thanks to all of you who have already subscribed. I think we're going to have some fun over there. But like I said, all the real stuff, all the main stuff still happens here. Two of the 2009 Ford F-150 and the Solar Reflex. If you've seen the regular treasure hunt, let me know. I tend to miss them. Sometimes they're not even in the case, but 87 Dodge D100, two of those. Also a repeat from the end case. And the Spectre. I think I saw that in the M as in Mary case. All right, Electrac. Two of those, and then a recolor of the kick card. I remember this in red, and that's what I remember, right? Okay, another significant model from this case. A lot of you have talked about this one. It is the Groo-Mobile. One of those so far. I don't know if we'll see another one. Kind of cool. We talked about what's plastic, what's metal in that one in the highlight. 2014 Corvette Stingray in the Barbie deco, which looks kind of cool. All right, Sharkbite, 69 Chevelle, the see-through 69 Chevelle, obviously from the X-Racers, and another kick cart. And the last from the first 36 is the 55 Chevy, the Volkswagen T2 pickup, and the Velocita. Those are the first 36. Let's take a look at the next 36. I already see another Groo-Mobile in there, so we'll get to that in a second. All right, 2015 Dodge Charger Srt. They call it the Dodge Charger Srt. This is actually the Hellcat. I don't see the Hellcat logo on the side, but that's what this casting is supposed to be. Looks good in purple. Talked about that when there's a Porsche Panamera, again, the police car. I think looking pretty good. That's a nice little trio right there. I'm getting the sense this is not the most exciting case compared to some, but, you know, the Groo-Mobile, the Chevy Silverado is cool. Repeats of some of these others. What is that? The Bogzilla, and two of the 70 Pontiac Firebird. Okay, new model alert, the Track Manga. The convertible Track Friendly. So, smaller chin, We did open that one in the video, and then the Morris Mini with the Magnus Walker deco. Back drafter, high roller, and then here is the 2017 Camaro Zl1. Wheel Collectors didn't send this one over. I should have asked for it because I was wondering if it was a Moon Eyes, but I don't think it is. It looks like a Moon Eyes car, but that is no Moon Eyes right there, right? I don't see it. So, not a Moon Eyes. I was wondering because there was a Dodge Charger from last year that kind of looked like that. So, not a Moon Eyes. That's okay. All right, 2 Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo with the MC5 wheels, and then this is awesome, the 69 Chevelle Ss 396. There's that second Groomobile, plus a Camaro. Well, there's the Groomobile, plus a Camaro, recolor of the 2018 Camaro SS, and the Dune Daddy from Hot Wheels Racing. Velocita, really cool recolor of the Batmobile. I like that this was approved in this color because I think that's pretty sharp. Nothing will beat the original, the TV series Batmobile with the Ghost Flames. It was a super treasure hunt and a Zamac. Never ever will it be beat. So I might add this to the collection, but probably not. Because that year just beat it all. And it's the Zombot. Have you seen the treasure hunt yet? I don't know. Okay. 07 Ford Mustang and another Mustang. The 67. That's a recolor. What was that? Red to start, I think? So now kind of a purplish color. That's kind of an interesting... It's kind of an interesting color. It seems to kind of change the way you look at it. All right. Porsche 917 LH. Lots of Porsches in this one. Recolor. Also in the M case. I think this one too. The Fast Forward is also in there. This is new for the 2000, or for this recolor is new for the N case. And we're talking N as in Nancy. Rally Cat. Skyjacker, right? I can't even remember the first color of that one. I know the Target, there was the Target exclusive. Skate Brigade, 2 of the 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Seems like Mustang and Porsche are the theme for this one. All right, 2 of the recolor of the 49 Ford. Saw this in the M case. I can't remember if we saw this green one of the 70 Chevelle Ss Wagon. I should probably put all these together. We've seen silver, we've seen, I think, red. Lots of them. I don't know if we have another recolor due on this one because it's quite a bit. But, all right. I remember I put the Fiat aside. Now, I don't know what the regular treasure hunt is, only because it may or may not be in there. You guys can tell me in the comments. But this, when I did the first case report, and I did it on LamleyGroup.com, I did not know what the super treasure hunt. I assumed it was the Escort. But then I was like, oh, there is no regular Escort in there. The super treasure hunt of the N case is actually the Fiat 500. But there's your regular version. That's the 3rd or 4th color of this one. I think it's the 4th color of this release with the 500 on the side from the Hot Wheel Daredevils setup. But it's the super treasure hunt is not gray. It's actually based on this one, which I picked up. This is from the C case. It might have been from an earlier case. This kind of satin burnt orange color. The Super Treasure Hunt will be based on this one. I have it coming from Mattel. I'm going to do a super showcase on it. But when I get it, I'll compare it with this one. I'll compare it with that one. So kind of a strange, this is a first. We had, I don't know if we've ever had a Super Treasure Hunt that doesn't coincide. I mean, since they've done them this way, where they're enhanced versions of basics. I don't know if we've ever seen a Super Treasure Hunt that was based on a previous version of a model. But Hot Wheels can do whatever they want. We're going to pick them up anyway, right? So there you go. Oh, see, this is number 1. I never noticed that. Number 1 on the side. This is number 4. Oh, I bet that coincides with all the others. I never even noticed that. Anyway, guys, that is the N case. Thanks to A&J. That's your explanation. Hope I didn't bore you with that. But cool case. We got a lot more to come. Super showcase from the N case very, very soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.